They look so lush. That's what my teacher used.
Lush?
Yeah.
Today I'm going to be filming Chloe, and what are you making?
And we're making chocolate chip lava cookies. It's really nice and the chocolate melts inside.
I'm sold. Right, you need this. We're going to go shopping.
This, baby. I love this song, Africa.
What are you doing?
This is the best day ever.
Two batches.
Oh, are they there? The Maltesers.
They're up here on the top shelf, so you can't get them. Are you filming me?
Yeah.
And I'm filming you?
No. Okay. So sugar.
Was that a successful forage?
Yeah.
What does forage mean?
I have no idea.
Alright, nice. What's that?
Sugar.
Salt, yeah. I want a couple of shakes.
One.
A bit more. We need 120 grams of butter. Alright? That is 120 grams of butter.
Mixing.
What came first, the chicken or the egg?
A crown.
Right, that is ready for some flour. Are you ready?
Yeah, I guess so. I think I am.
And you got most of it in the bowl. Is this like child labour all of a sudden?
Yes. I got a taste test.
Why do you want a taste test then? That's exactly what I would do, but go on in.
Good. Come on, Chloe, you can do this.
Chloe, I'm now going to teach you about the Wrap Master 3000. Do you know what that is, mate?
Probably you being the best dad ever.
No, it's this. It's not Rapunzel's hair. Cling film. Boom.
Boom!
Chloe's pushing the mixture into the cling film. As you can see, it's quite runny and gooey where we've mixed the butter. It's melted and made it more manoeuvrable. We need to chill it, just like when you make most other cookies, just to firm it up, alright?
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
So this is a bag of dough. Feel how squishy that is. Feel it?
It's like,
It's really soft. So we're going to bung it in the fridge
how long?
for about an hour.
Then what can I do?
Don't know. You want to wash up?
TV!
Compromise. So it's nice and firmed up the dough. We're going to divide it into two bits. One is going to be the cut bit, all right?
Yes.
You still with me? The other bit's going to be the lid, but we're going to put truffles in the middle of that. We're using Lindor's. Oh, yeah, that's much more stubborn and butch. Let's get a bit of dough like this. Yeah? Push this in the tin. So what we've created is kind of like a little cup shape. Our oven is preheated. All right?
And chocolate truffles!
Chocolate truffles. All right. So we need 6 because there's 6 there. Yeah. Last bit, we're going to do this together because we've got to work quick. I put this back in the fridge to keep it firmed up. Ready?
Yeah.
We're going to get messy again. I'm going to sort of stick a bit on top just to seal it in.
I'm doing this.
That's it, mate. Let's see it, just shove your hand down. That's quite a big one, mate.
I know.
You got your little camera?
Yeah.
All right. So this is going in the oven for how long?
15 minutes.
15 minutes. Nice. In it goes. And we're going to cook it, baking it until it's brown around the edges. So it should be 15 minutes. Might be a little sooner.
I'm eating my lunch.
I know. Good news or bad news?
Good news.
Good news, it smells amazing, right?
Yes.
Bad news, some of them might have exploded.
Yes.
See that one at the front there? Oh, it's bubbling away. But we'll get them out now. They're brown round the edges. They look like muffins.
Oh, it's hot.
It is hot, isn't it?
Hallelujah. Oh, it looks like a muffin.
It does. Look at that. It does look like a muffin. That's the one that's got the hole in it.
There's another one that's even.
There's another one. Ah.
That one.
I think they look pretty neat. Right.
Ooh.
Let's see
If it works.
if it's worked.
Ooh.
Oh! There was a chocolate explosion. That was actually quite cool.
Now let's pour the milk. You ready? Go!
So it's going to sit in a little bit of milk, and then we're going to slice it.
Oh, let's see what happens. Come on, come on. Oh!
Oh, look, there is actually chocolate escaping. It's supposed to be stood up like that, I think. And it's supposed to pour out. There we go. Look. Can you see it? Did you say cool baby? Like a mixture of Austin Powers and something cool, man.
Cool, baby.
Look at that.
Can we try it?
Can we try it?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Ready?
No, not ready.
Oh. Mmm.
Hot.
Is it hot?
It's hot.
That's nice. It's warm.
It's hot in love.
Hot in love. That was me one day, man. Thumbs up or thumbs down?
It's very nice. I love it.
So there we go. Thanks for watching. Chloe, are you just going to keep eating? Say goodbye.
Bye-bye, lovely subscribers.
See ya.
So, if you think my dad's the best, put your comments down below.
There's a place in your house where it's cool to chill, get some me time, or even cook a meal. It's your kitchen mofo, ain't no time to slack, so just grab yourself.